You know the best way to feed an overactive golden retriever? Get you a heavy-weighted blanket, grab a handful of his food, and hide it in said heavy blanket. Cree, sit. Wait. Good boy. Wait. Let's see if he waits. All you gotta do is throw it on the floor and throw the blanket on top of it. Hide it really well. You wait. He knows this game too well. Oops, already got her over that side. Get her over here. I don't think I called you to break yet, buddy. No, sir. Come over here. Cree, come here. No. Come over here. Come over here. Sit. Wait. Sit. Wait. I gotta film you. Hold on a second.